Hello to my video about box sliding on a surface, on an inclined surface. This is the video for project 6 for Continuum Mechanics. Our box will be this box of masks, and the surface is going to be my notebook. And for surfaces, we will just use the notebook on its own, then some saran wrap, some baking sheet, and finally aluminum foil. Now starting with the notebook on its own, we can see that the angle at which it starts sliding is somewhere around there. A relatively small angle. Now with the saran wrap, I'm careful. Much bigger angle. Which makes sense, after all, saran wrap is designed to be sticky. So yeah, like 2 to 3 times the angle of the aluminum alone. Then the aluminum foil. Little bit bigger than just the laptop alone, but still a relatively small angle. And then the baking sheet. Finally, very small angle, which again makes sense as a baking sheet is designed to not stick. So yes, coefficient of friction is going to be smaller. Thank you very much. That's already it.